This is London with MarketHedge. 2 important points in a 2-minute video on Bitcoin. Let's pay attention. That 20 moving average on the daily has been compromised. That means, guys, that the bulls have got some work to do, or the bears could be in control in terms of bringing this pattern down. I'll keep this simple. The bear flag moved to the downside. We have that upward slanting channel. And yeah, that's going to be a target all the way down to 65K if we can get the push. And that's going to require the breakout, and then it's going to require, guys, the breakout from that, and then the specific momentum push to the downside. Let's just, I don't want to call it, but in terms of the potential, there's a lot there. You guys know that. In terms of the international chaos, which could be developing, I don't want to speak too much about it, but yeah, there's quite a bit going on in terms of international frustrations, to say the least. So let's see if we can get some volatility out of it. It might be nice. Beware, preceding demand zone. And around, let's just call this zone, that 76, 77K. That's going to be an area where there may be some impedance for the bears if they're looking to move to the downside. Yeah, there may be a little bit of a pickup alley in this, just that lateral preceding pivot. It's happened before. We trade them all the time, so just keep aware of that. Now, the ultimate breakdown, if we're going to say at the breakdown level, really any action underneath that 88,000, if you can see that 88,400 in blue, 432, that's going to be the level that we cannot allow to go a super trend to the downside, meaning the bears push underneath that standard deviation and they accelerate, right? If they can accelerate and stay on the outside instead of on the inside, okay, of the standard deviation, if they can get underneath it and continue to push, that's when we could head to the downside. That's when you need to be careful of the falling knife, okay? Yeah, inside the standard deviation, okay. Outside the standard deviation, if we start to use it as a level of resistance, yeah, be aware, be careful, right? Heavy cash reserves never overexposed to any specific trade. This is London, former hedge fund owner. For any of you who jumped into that gold trade, yeah, several weeks ago, it's just a good example of an uptrend, right? Look at the uptrend that we had in that 4-hourly low RSI was a killer guys, a killer call there. So congrats to anyone who got in. The one similarity that we have, and I caution, and I kind of tuck it in the back of the video here, is the fact that Bitcoin is on the 4-hourly low RSI now. So it's not in an uptrend like gold. It's just not. Gold is ripping guys through the stratosphere, but we are on a 4-hourly RSI low, meaning 30. So to the extent that it's a natural pickup zone, yeah, we've got the natural pickup zone in play, and that's that green line there, guys, which is just, I got to tell you guys, the bottom line with the ability to push below this. Let's take a look at the lower daily. That lower daily is going to be around that 83,600 is going to be the lower, meaning the 30 reading on the RSI daily instead of that 4-hourly, and around that 90,000. So let's see in between the 83K, 83 to 84K, and the current 90,000. We've got that stacked, and I'll just move this up here a little bit. We have that stacked standard deviation, okay, and I'll call it stacked with that preceding level of support, not only cross support on the bear flag, bam, bam. You guys got that with hit 1, hit 2. Okay, so we got the cross support, and we've got that macro as well. Try and clean this up technically for you, just so we have a good finale to the video here in terms of the upside and the carry down. So yeah, we are stacked with a few different features on the macro and zooming into the micro on this specific line. That's it, guys. Trying to keep it brief. Hope you're having a great bang-up week. Let's get after it. In the back, we'll probably be trading again. I was trading with JMac. We had a great time in the back. You all are welcome to join #1 trade group. We trade with BTCC, all the accounts that flow through live here. In terms of the trade review, you can trade, guys, copy trade, yes, but you can review anyone's trade on any asset as they occur. It's really cool. You can review it on your charts. So it's just cool to be able to just jump through and see, like, what is everyone trading? What are they doing? How is someone making money? And you review it as it comes in live to participate or not. And it's the only system in availability now with this review function on the advanced charts. So very excited about that, excited to bring it to you, and it makes a huge difference when we're trading back and forth. J-Mac today is entering into trades, I'm entering into trades. I get to review his trades, he's reviewing mine. It's a lot of fun, guys. I got to tell you, I've never traded like this before, and I hope you guys get a chance to experience it with us. This is London with MarketHedge, and yeah, guys, heavy cash reserves on Bitcoin. Shout out in the comments. Appreciate the likes on the videos. We'll talk to you guys soon. Take care. Bye-bye.